Spyderco miniature knives over here. Let's see what they're all about. This right here, probably the world's smallest Spyderco. At least I never seen anything bigger. Check this out. This is a keychain knife for, like, I guess opening some boxes and tape. A little bit steamy in here, but yeah, there you go. There's a little Spyderco logo. The problem with this thing, you gotta put it onto your keychain, and then it's gonna end up in TSA confiscated knives, because wherever you're gonna go to, they're gonna take it from you if you're gonna go to the airport, unless you're gonna take it back into the car, but who have time for that, especially in the big airports. Okay, next, what else we got here? This is probably under 2 inches knives. By the way, ooh, this one is cool. Check this out. What's the name of it? And this one was, I don't even have a name, but yeah, this one is a Cricket. This one is actually pretty cool. I kind of played with it a little bit. You see how easy it is to open it? Ooh, look at all these fingerprints. Easy to close it, easy to open it. It's not a flicker, but easy to open it and open up some boxes. You see you have a little, like a toothpick to grab it, and only put few millimeters into the box, so that way you're not cutting anything up inside the box, I mean. Next one is dog tag Gen 4 pin. Okay, that one is pretty unique. Again, another one looks like you can put it like a dog tag, or you can just put it into your pocket on a keychain, whatever. Doesn't really have, I guess over here the keychain holder, there you go. Super tiny, like what, an inch, maybe less. You don't have to push anywhere, you can just break it in and close it very easily. But this thing is comfortable. Look at that. I would use it. Okay, next one. MacB pin. Ooh, I like that one. I like these little ones. Boom. Look at that. It's so easy to hold, 2-finger grip. Really nice grip. Break up some boxes. You can actually cut 2 boxes and break them up easily, not just tape. It's really thick. I love these little beasts over here. I would call them mini tanks or something. But again, the blade is like what, an inch, maybe inch and a half. There's a Spyderco STSXHP. What's on the other side? There's the designer. Beautiful little knife. One more time, so easy to open it. I like it. Okay, 3 more left. This one is a traditional one that is really popular, but miniature, very lightweight. Again, super easy to open, 3-finger grip, and yeah, just a regular little knife. Check this out. Oh, look at that fingerprint. So back lock, so not as fun. Whenever you gotta break it up, you gotta use 2 hands. But yeah, that's really cool, the keychain knife. You see, there's a little hole for your keychain or whatever. Okay, next we got here Poche pin. By the way, not good with the pronunciation. Oh, that one is cute and expensive too. I guess you can flick it out a little bit, and let me show you what it's about. There you go. It's little doggy. Little hot dog, I guess, right? You see the legs? You can stand them up. No, you cannot. That's funny. Yeah, you can. That's hilarious. So it looks like an eye, and the nose and everything, legs, and the tail. That's weird. But yeah, something that Spyderco did. Cannot pull it from there, but you can flick it out, at least this way. Again, an inch, maybe a little bit more of a blade. And the last one, this box is pretty different. It actually opens up like this with a magnet. Let's see what's in here. So first of all, we got it here. Hard to pull. A regular blade. There's some markings on it. What Spyderco is this? So I guess it's called clip tool. So it's a knife and a serrated blade. So you got 2 in 1. So pull this out, serrated blade, pull this out. So 2-hand opener for sure. It's quite tight, but it's so easy. Kind of like it. Don't even have to think about which blade do I want to pull out. Very good. So yeah, let me know in comments below which one was your favorite. I kind of like quite a few of them here. I love miniature knives. I carry those all the time to unbox things and things like that.